morning, guys and girls. Hope you can see that. Hope you can. There's Jeff down there digging holes. That's beeping mad. And see what he's found. I'm back on lancing. The tide's pushing out. And let's get to it. Back when we find something. Oh, 7.5. Jeff helped me find that 2 bob. Looks like we found a 303. Oh, don't tell me it's going to be another day. Oh well, moving on. Alright, there's my first lead weight. That ringing up as silver. Oh well, fine, isn't it? Put that in with a scrap. Still using the wader, look. See, you can drown it. It's still working alright. I'll be able to do that with my other pinpointer. Yeah. Alright. Moving on. Oh, looks like we've got a coin. It is so thin. I don't know what that is. All the water coming out there was bright orange. That was right next to where I just had that fishing weight. Oh well, moving on. Alright, got some horses going up the bank, the beach. My granddaughter's watching. Well, she might be watching when I've done this. That'll please her. There we go, more than 5p. Woohoo, spendable. God, a fortune with all these. Right, moving on. Oh, just picked up looks like a fossil. That's a big one.
That's alright.
Oh, what the devil that is.
Sea urchins or something.
Yeah. Oh well. Put that in the bag, take it home.
Tubular things.
Yeah.
I can't remember what they called it in it. Sea anemone, something like that.
Well, I don't know. Sea anemone's a bit soft to make fossilising, isn't it? Oh well, someone will know what it is. I'll take it down to the museum. Oh well, moving on. Found a splattered bullet in amongst all this brown clay. Look. That's weird stuff, isn't it? Oh well. Moving on. A good signal.
Yeah, nice deep tide. Getting it. There's another thing.
Eh?
Getting it is another thing.
The problem. Bloody rock balls are so hard. You're into that clay again, look.
Can you hear that?
Yeah, I can hear it.
Right, okay, we'll dig it out and I'll show you in a sec.
So I'm filming. Right in the middle still. In there.
So that's...
Oh, hang on. Something beeping. What you got? You got a ring? You rat bag! Was it an earring?
Can't tell what it is. We'll see out there.
Seems like some water now. There's a hole behind you. There you go. Is it? Or is it a ring pull?
At first I thought it was a ring pull. Look at that. That's not an earring. I think that's a...
It looks like a little buckle, doesn't it?
buckle or something.
A little silver buckle. Nice one.
Yeah, I'll show you something else.
I'm back in my glove. Yeah. It does look like a little silver buckle. Beautiful. I'll tell you what, that's old. You know that might even be gold. Yeah. Nice one. Well done.
Just giving this another wash, and we definitely decided that is gold.
Yeah, I think that is.
It's got the weight of it. It's definitely a good couple hundred years old. That's been floating around for hundreds of years. But that is definitely, we think, gold.
Yep.
Woohoo!
Well done.
Thank you.
And you got it live as well. God, he gets gold, I find lead. Oh. Well, I'm blowed. Oh well, never mind, it's a find. Put it in the bag. Thanks for digging out for me. I might even let him have a drink of my coffee. Hello, you go with black, no sugar.
Yeah, I'll drink it, but
Found some soft sand. Another signal. That's a 25. That's on the Explorer 2. Or Frankenstein as we call it.
Frankenstein, yeah.
Yeah.
See, the thing is, you mind that, everything, even a tall man stand, it's made for a tall, short person. 6'4", got no chance.
Yeah. This is what I'm only 5'10" and a half then. Even mine's too short.
So used to make it look like a mini motor.
Oh, Christ. Still in there.
Yeah.
Oh. You've got it in there.
Where, sorry?
Move your spade in your machine, I think it's in there.
In there.
I think so. Try it.
My wife's going to be cutting my hair today. It's in the size of it. I look like...
You gonna cut your hair?
Yeah.
You ain't got none.
It's as long as it's ever going to be.
Another bullet.
Is this live, mate?
Yeah. Oh, he's got another one. You jam strangler.
There you go.
That's
So
the
wash it out.
second bit of bling. Give it a wash.
There you go.
That's child ring, that one, isn't it?
Yeah.
925 on the inside of it.
I don't know, mate. Yeah, let's have a...
Nice little stone in it.
It's got writing, but I can't quite make out what it says.
Yeah.
Clean up
That's a
around
shame.
that.
I left my loop and my trousers in the van.
You loop.
Yeah. Magnifier.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that's quite nice. I like that.
Nice one. And it was live.
Woohoo.
Right, alright, moving on. Right down on that orange layer again, isn't it?
Yeah. This is all stuff that over the years I've ignored. Well,
Yeah.
the last 2 years. It's in there, is it?
I don't know if it might be picking up your detector. No, it's still in there, isn't it? Is that your phone?
Yeah.
It's your missus ringing you, I expect.
Right, sounds like...
Move that machine out of the way. Still in there? That's out. Oh, it's found it. Have you got a coin?
Half p.
Bloody. Was it an old half p?
Yeah, you look how deep that is.
Look at that. What, it's good 6-7 inches again?
Oh yeah.
Easily. An old half p.
Yeah.
Oh well, moving on. Down there showing on the edge of that silver. Oh, the mad dog has gone through and taken my legs. Thank you, dog. Oh, there's another one. And
See that?
oh, I can see it from here. Look, hang on. I'll just go around a bit.
See that?
Pointing at it, look, you can just see it. A pound coin.
It's a bit of coin.
Woo,
All
look
that
at
way
this.
out here.
Yeah. Nice one. Well, there we go. All that way out there. Thank you for digging that for me, son.
No worries.
Oh, there we are. Oh, I don't know. It's got a hole in the middle. So it's not. It's a fishing weight. See? That's a fishing weight. Oh well. Oh, all that for a fishing weight. No, it's not. It's me. So, we've had enough. So it's goodbye from him, and it's goodbye from me. A beautiful sunny day. And as you can see from his detector, he's 6'4". Look how tall that thing is.
Yeah, so I can get like...
It's a monster. Right. Goodbye for now.